Okay, so hello everyone. So today I'm going to be telling you how to make a Kudo. So first you need this piece, like round bottom, 4 spikes on the top. Then you'll need small little round piece, like this. Yeah. So, and then you'll need like a top. I just called them a Kudo. So you pop this piece and this piece. These two pieces, you stick them both in together. Then you take this piece, then you pop it in there, like that. There, Kudo. Well, you don't have to. Well, that's only one way of doing a Kudo. There's tons of other ones. Like, you see this? That was just only a color in black, see? This one's light clear blue, this one's just black again, and then I'll go a little middle for the Kudo. Do the same. Pop that on, and pop that on. But then, this is how you make a more powerful Kudo. You stick this piece, see, here. Yeah, it's the exact same piece we used last time, except in the color red. And you stick, now this one's different. You have 5 of these pieces. You stick this piece on there, one of them. And you stick another one there, and you just keep on going until you can't stick any more on like that, yeah? And then you use this piece here, right? And use this piece here, stick it on like that. And then you stick the two together. This one goes in the middle, like the other one. Like that, right? There. And there's tons of other kinds of Kudos, like this one here. But they all basically have, they're all meant to have, they all have a bunch of the same pieces, see? And the brown piece that's there, and this gray piece. But then there's also this piece, and then you stick that on top of there. And that one right there, another kind of Kudo, right? And then, here's another kind of Kudo. Sorry about that, just wait there, okay? Okay, and then this kind of Kudo, let me just take them apart, is like that. So you have this piece, the bottom piece, right? And you have this top piece, which I got from my Halo Lego set. And I also got this piece from my Halo Lego set. So I got this piece from a different Lego set, right? And then, so then you have this piece here, right? Then you stick it onto this piece, the disc, right there. This is just some sort of legendary Kudo. And then when it's like that, see? Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah, see? And then you stick it right there, like this. See? Awesome, right? Well, then this is a legendary flat top Kudo. See? This top's flat. It's the exact same as building this Kudo. It's the exact same as building this Kudo, but with a flat top. Flatter top. And then there's this Kudo, which is basically like the exact same except in different colors, right? Yeah, see? I saw another one somewhere back here with these colors. See? And the rest is like green and clear at the bottom. So, yeah. And then there's also a giant Kudo. But this one doesn't have the exact same pieces as the other one though. See, it's just this piece. When red, you can choose what other piece, yeah. You can choose what color these pieces you want. Then all you need is one of these pieces. So a little stubby one. And then then you connect the stubby piece onto the center there. And you stick the red one there. And done. Giant Kudo. Still not done. Sorry. And then you have like this shifting size Kudo. Which see here? You have like a flower piece, right? Then you have the same bottom piece, obviously. And then a blue top. You can choose whatever color of these you want. Or what flower you want. Yeah, I probably told you that, sorry. And then you see that the flower piece goes onto the top piece as usual. But then the flowered spikes go onto the little bumps of the bottom part. But then you can change it, and then you can press on it, and then it goes low. So yes. So that's the first video. Yeah, that's the first video, and bye for now. I'll make another video. And yeah, bye for now.